is the walkthrough video for Unit 1, Chapter 3, Lesson 7 on creating forms and collecting data. So read through the information here. We're going to be using Google Forms to collect data, and we're going to learn how to manipulate that data. So make sure you look through the to-do list and your learning goals. On the next page is the walkthrough video that you're watching now. Then, again, same thing we've been doing. It's very important you go through these lessons. You can open it up to a full web page or just read it within here. It's going to teach you everything about Google Forms, how to use them, how to set up your answers and create questions, and etc. So very important that you go through that. Then you're going to click Next, and this talks about adjusting the settings in Google Forms. And things always change. So if this does not exactly match Google Forms today, it's very close, but Google is always changing their products. So Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slides and Google Forms, they're always making updates. So it's really hard to keep current with information. So if there's something that looks a little different on what you see today, that's just because Google has updated it. Right, so you would read through that lesson and then click Next, and here's your assignment. So this is a fun assignment. You will actually make a Google Forms survey, and it's going to be on pop culture. So here is your rubric. This is a 100-point assignment. So you would just click Google Form. Here's your directions. So make sure you are making your own copy of your directions. And you would just follow these directions. So you're going to make a survey about pop culture. So here's the directions. Follow those very carefully. And there is no template. You're just going to create your own form from scratch. And so to do that, just open another tab. And you can either click on the Google Apps launcher to the right-hand side and go find Forms. There it is. It's the purple one. Or you can type in forms.google.com. That works. Or you can go to Google Drive and create those. But this is the way that I usually type it in. Or again, you can go to your app launcher on this right-hand side and choose it. You're going to choose blank. You're going to title it, your title, pop culture, or you might, like if I was doing something on Harry Potter, maybe I'd put Harry Potter, something like that, or if it's music, books, something like whatever you choose for your pop culture survey that you want to send out. So you are creating this from scratch. You would just click there, type your name here, your title here, and then type over here, and then follow the directions on this direction handout. Once you're done, you guys make sure that you click the send button and that you are copying this link. You can shorten it when your survey is ready. It has all the questions needed. You would copy that, and that's actually what you're going to post to the assignment. So when you're done, you're going to click Start Assignment. And you can't upload this because it's a Google form, so you'd either have to choose text entry or website URL. Either one works, and I would just paste that in and hit enter to make it active and just submit assignment. Now on the next assignment, we need people to take your survey. So this is where you are going to post to this discussion, and you're going to explain what your survey is about and put in that link. Then you have to respond to other people and take their survey so they can get data. So right here it's about showing off your survey that you just made, but we want everybody to take everybody's survey so that you can get data so that you can do the next assignment in Lesson 8. So how you would do this for a discussion is just click reply. You would type about your survey here, like give a brief description of it. Then you would paste in that link and just hit enter to make it active. And then you would just click post reply. That way people can open up your survey and they can actually take it. Okay. That is how you would post to the discussion. And then you have a quiz over forms and data that you need to take. So you just click take quiz and take that quiz. When you're done, you would submit it. And now we're going on to lesson 8.